Hello. So I wanted to talk about my favorite movie that I have. It was filmed in the 1980s. I believe it was a play first, and then it actually was just redone a few years ago by a whole different cast. And it features six women that are all famous actresses, and they live in a southern town. They all have their unique personalities amongst themselves, and then their own friendships within the group. Early on in the movie, one of the characters gets married. She has some health concerns, and it's scary that she's getting pregnant and having a baby because of her health concerns. And she ends up passing away at the end of the movie, and the dynamics of the friends working through that, and then um, basically trying to get through the death of their friend.